All right, man. All right, cool. I think we need to start this session with a prayer to all the traders that got chopped up on gold here today. Lord, please give those traders the strength to continue to pursue this game. Although today would have been very challenging because, man, what a mess. What a fucking mess. Amen. Crazy. Bro, do you know my win here is that NQ sell? Bro, I took a sell here, you guys. I took a sell right here and got out like there at that level. So as this candle closed, I took a sell around there, got out there. If your boy just held for another minute, he'd be fucking rich. Oh, you guys got the same one? Yes! Let's fucking go! Did any of you guys hold partials or anything? Yeah, exactly. I'm glad that you guys caught that as well. Beautiful. Bro, like, cause who would have thought? Like, I was the same as you guys. I seen all the higher time frames were like a textbook type one. And, but you know, you never would have thought this would have happened. Damn, so you guys have caught dubs on both streams today. Beautiful. Awesome, man. Well, let's lock in here for gold. We, you know, price might have consolidated for the start of the day and we could be good to go now. Now it's up to you. Yeah, let me see if I can fucking take some of the profits away from you guys. Let me see if I can cook you guys. NPC's 3 for 3, 750 plus. W. NPC back at it. Awesome, man. Well, let's have a look. I'm going to do a quick bit of top down here on gold if you guys are interested in seeing that. What's crazy about yesterday is we dropped 750 pips and then just ran back up 750 pips. So what's the daily looking like so far? The 4 hour, this could be support for a continuation up. Broke the lows of the previous 4 hour, could be looking to flip here maybe, I don't know. 1 hour's a mess, 30 minutes a mess, and 15's a mess. Wow, that's some yucky price action here on gold. Maybe we won't get anything today on gold after such a big move, after several big moves yesterday. Maybe we won't get anything on gold. I don't know. The clearest sell opportunity is going to be here. Yeah, this is going to be the clearest sell level. Damn, I'm glad you guys fucking got that that sell there on NQ as well. That was a really nice setup. Only reason I went so light on it is because I wasn't even watching the charts. I just jumped on, seen it, and like, you know, took the trade pretty quick. So I was like, I better lower the size because maybe I overlooked something. I didn't really do much of analysis, but nice. GG's. GG's and double U's. Oh, Mitch. Yeah, Mitch is resurrected. 3 for 3 for the day, my dude. Oh, wow. Mitch took some sort of sell here. Break below, retest, continuation. W. Yeah, this is the exact setup. This is the exact setup I took. Oh, no, it's not. Is it? Yeah, it's somewhere around there, but W. Yeah, it looks like everyone's eating today. Good on you guys for being cautious on gold, though. Yeah, very yucky. Very yucky. A lot of traders lost their inheritance today on gold. Big Bluey boy, what up, what up, what up? Yeah, Mitch is definitely erected. Erected? I mean, resurrected. I'm lost 1,000 gold. Yeah, gold's been tough today, man. I was just saying, gold's been brutal today for, like, if you got chopped up in this, very, very sticky business. Yeah, man, can you believe if we just held NQ a little bit longer? We're such bad traders. How did you guys not know that NQ was about to drop 500 ticks? Stupid. Sorry I'm late. Better late than never. Good to have you here, my dude. So yeah, obviously I've got a couple levels here that I'm interested in. Really want to get out of this chop on gold. If you wanna win a trade, you want to get out of this chop on gold. Bro, speak French, please. Sacre bleu. Oui, oui. Still seems bullish. I'll do whatever it takes. If I get a break below here, I'll sell the shit out of it. But yeah, if I get a break below this, I'll sell the shit out of it. 6K drop in NQ. I know, crazy, bro. We took a sells just like a little bit of that drop, and then it just continued to sell off. How are you dealing with big stop losses? Are you dropping size? I mean, depends what you mean by big stop losses. If there's a lot of volume in the market and the candles are bigger, yeah, you just decrease the size and increase the range of these stop loss. Never really want to go above 50 pips. Like when there's a ton of volume in the market and the candlesticks are massive, the furthest I'll have a stop is 50 ticks. But then that means I need to have a take profit at 50 ticks as well. So, what up, course? I think Mitch's idea behind that was, this level here, based on this candle broke below, retested that level, and then pushed. Just like a breakout, bit of a risky one, kind of trying to get out of that range. Shibby is the man with multiple identities. I went way past my eval, now I have to wait? Wait, what do you mean? I think even if you like, you know, if your profit target's $1 billion and you get $1.5 billion, like you should still be good to go. It's not like they're gonna get you in trouble because you made too much money. Check. Billions. Ah, volume. That's annoying. Ah, nice pips. Yeah, I thought your name looked I thought you looked familiar. Awesome, bro. When did you do that? Today? Today, mate. Yeah, I don't know, man. Like the thing with all this trading shit is like, I mean, I think I'm giving a pretty good example. You guys will see I'm here every day. Like you never really see me doing crazy tilt shit. Like we do a bit of goose stuff sometimes, but like your ability to stay consistent and not die. Like Your ability to just stay in the game is one of the biggest strengths you can have as a trader. Because as you stay in the game, you just become better. You got to stay alive. Your ability to stay alive, that's what I'm trying to say. You want to stay alive. Yeah, you want to stay alive in the game. And if you can, just by a proxy, you will get better and you'll become like the best trader you know. Like you'll become way better trader than heaps of people. Because it's very difficult to stay alive. That's sort of the good thing about live streams as well. If someone's showing up every day and you're showing up as well, or you're streaming or whatever, yeah, it's good. Some my guys in the mentorship, they stream every day in the groups now, and just by proxy, they're going to become better. Man, I lost my AirPods. Where the fuck are my AirPods? How much do you trade a week? Just try to trade every day, bro. I'm depressed after losing 60K. How long you been trading for, the Zone? Yeah, I've got a message from I've got a message sitting in my DMs right now about doing that. The thing is, I think I can obviously, the only thing he's probably going to do is discounts for you guys and stuff. Yeah, you can get your discount. So what Pip Labs has in their back testing software setup is like a prop firm simulator. So you can back test as if you're trading a prop account. Hey Daniel, is it possible like TikTok influencer flipping $1 to 1 million today? Yes. Yep. Who are your group streamers? Do you do a shout out? We can. Most of them, they only stream like in the actual mentorship community, not on YouTube. How big should the clean range to the left be? Just enough for like, so if this breaks above here, I'll be looking to ride up to this wick fill. Well, let me measure this range. Actually, I haven't even checked the range. Yeah, I'll be looking to ride the shit out of this to look for a wick fill here. 100%. Jesus died for us on the cross? Yes. Jesus loves you, man. He does. He does. Man, it's so rough. Like if you like look into the details of Jesus's crucifixion and just what happened to him leading up to that with the whipping and then all 11. So Jesus had 12 disciples. 11 of them got put to for their beliefs by crucifixion. Peter got crucified upside down because he said it'd be an honor to be crucified like my Lord. So they said, we can change that. So they did it upside down. I think it was Simon. He actually got skinned alive. Being skinned alive was very common. Man, the people were just so fucking brutal throughout history. There's just been so much evil throughout human history. It's just like sickening. It's really hard to even comprehend how much evil there is been in history. And it wasn't even that long ago. Like, it wasn't that long ago people were being sawed in half and shit. Like, fuck. It's just so fucked up. I watched your podcast with Roger and Trade Sharp and oh, nice. Yeah, that was sick. Roger and Trade Sharp pod. Oh, the 12th disciple, he ended up living out his life and he like went and spoke the word and managed to just live an old life and died of old age. Like he didn't get put to death, whether that was because he relocated and just, flew under the radar. But yeah, he survived. Everyone else got put to death for their beliefs. All by crucifixion. One got skinned, one potentially with spears, and one potentially by axe. Just so savage, man. It's so brutal. Jesus was reliable. No, sir. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and break above, so we'll see. Who did that to them? Just like... mainly the Romans, like they wanted to suppress this idea. So throughout like history before Jesus' time, there was prophets, and they all spoke of a Messiah coming down and, you know, being the chosen one. So when Jesus came down and was that chosen one, or was that person healing, sharing a new perspective and just doing what Jesus does, Jesus being reliable, they all said, nah, fuck that. You're not that guy. How dare you? Because it was Jesus. He built up a massive following. There's people following him everywhere. He was like he was Jesus. And you know what it's like back then? Like, people don't like power, like a new power coming in that could overthrow their beliefs. So then when he died, and then other people were carrying on the message, they said, nah, bro, we're not letting this shit happen. Off with the head. We Muslims love Jesus too. Yes. I mean, Muslims think like the Muhammad, like in the Quran, believes that Jesus, like every other religion speaks of Jesus, but people like Muhammad in the Quran say that Jesus was just a prophet. That's all. Or just like a prophet, not that he was the son of God. Jesus was reliable. If Charles' death moved the world so deeply, imagine what people would have felt if Jesus was crucified. I've seen such... Yeah, exactly, Sylvia. Yep. And it just comes back to the thing. If you try to silence, it actually works the opposite. It makes the message louder. How many people since Kirk's death have looked into God and Jesus? Jesus was reliable. On Joshua chapter right now, nice. So a projection kind of makes a resistance. Maybe. I don't. Nah, I'm not interested in playing in this range, bro. For whatever reason, this just seems to be a consolidation range, and if I don't want to play in this range, to be honest. I like where your head's at, but I don't want to play in this range. Do you believe Jesus was a prophet? I believe Jesus was the Son of God. I believe Jesus was God in human form, because that's what he said he was, and that's what the evidence suggests. I mean, you can believe in the Ouija board, but that would... Yeah, I mean, we were doing that Ouija board shit when we were kids, man. Some crazy shit used to happen when we did that Ouija board. Really just genuine, like basically just playing with demon fucking technology. It's no good, man. Yeah, the actor that played Jesus, like he got struck by lightning or something. Jesus was reliable. How can God be man? Because God made the decision. Throughout history, there had been prophets that had spoke about God eventually bringing down the human form of himself. And then when that happened, it was Jesus. Well, it's not actually God. It's the idea is, because he said, how can you believe a man is God? It's not actually God. It's a limited version of God because it's God in human form. So that can't be God because it's just a human, but he still had the knowledge, the infinite knowledge, the certain powers, and enough to change the world that we're still here talking to him about him today, 2,000 years later. And if you follow the philosophy of, man, you can read the Bible and you're like, this is unbelievable literature. Like what is said in there and the way that it's spoke and everything's in parables and metaphors. It's like, it's brilliant. That's the only word I can say. It's fucking brilliant. Jesus was reliable. I'll just use myself as an example. Ever since I first purchased the Bible for the first time ever in February last year, and I still haven't, I'm nearly finished. It's taken me nearly a year to read it cover to cover. And from that day to now, the effect that it's had on my life is substantial. Like, it's really crazy. I can genuinely say that. Then do you rate ICT, price action? It's all the same. It's just whatever you choose, bro. It's just what you choose. Thank you, Bright. Do you find you win more trades with or without glasses? Yeah, I haven't done the data on that yet. All right, cool. Prices looks like it's moving up here. So when he was on the cross, goes, God, why have you chosen me? What is he? No, he says, God, why did you forsaken me? Hello, Daniel. Is it really possible to live from trading? Yeah, but it takes time. It takes time to get to that point. But what you guys? Depends what you mean by that MVP. What happens when you become eligible? You just wait 24 hours, and you'll see in your dashboard that you can activate it. Like you pay the fee, and then you can activate it. Yeah, there's plenty of exactly so. There's so much like scientific, like there's no denying that Jesus was a person. There's more literature and more like documentation on Jesus than there is any other human in history. Like it's very well documented that he was a legit guy, and and as Cliff would say, all data suggests that Jesus was reliable. Have you heard about the recent discovery Gospel of Judas? No, I haven't. Judas is a disciple that snitched on Jesus for 20 pieces of silver. He snitched on him. Bitch ass motherfucker. How much capital would you need to generate a monthly salary approximately? It's not about that. It's about the trader. Your analysis is clear, bro? Yep, analysis is clear. Nice G-Dog. G-Daway. That's awesome to hear. What's your win rate? It's pretty good, man. It is pretty good, yeah. RR is pretty standard, just 1-to-1. If I get an opportunity, I'll let it run for more. How do I paper trade in real time for data or for free? You just go to tradingview.com, and then at the bottom, I'm pretty sure you just pick like a fucking... No, wait. What did you say? Yeah. And you just sign up for like an Awanda or some account down here. Look, paper trading, TradingView paper trading. Tradingview.com, scroll, bring this up, and it says paper trading there. I think. Have you seen 3-figured aliens in Peru? I don't care about any alien shit. Bro, I was the biggest alien guy, and I'm just sick of being edged. I'm sick of being edged. Oh, Pez, what up? Pez, you just fucking... you just missed the Jesus bars. Bale Seal. Oh... Can't get enough of being edge, bro. I used to think the same, but I just can't now. I'm just sick of it. I'm ready to bust, you know what I mean? No, you're too late, Pez. People are going to start freaking hating it at this point. When you started reading the Bible, did you feel anything weird? No, so what I say, when I already started questioning a lot in my own mind, and I had massive realizations when I read the Bible. What the feeling I had was, oh my God, the answers have been here all along. That's the realizations I was having. I was like, here are the rules to the game. Here it all is. That's what I had. Jesus was reliable. No, I don't have a Telegram account. Would you suggest reading the Bible from start to finish? Nah, I would say probably start at Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. It's going to be tough, man. It's tough reading from the start. Because it's all, like, most of the Bible isn't about Jesus. It's about both before Jesus' time and people that God had essentially chosen to spread the word and spit bars. And it's a tough read. It is tough. I had to like Google a lot and fucking watch YouTube along with it. And she's the prophet. Wait, is it really your birthday, Pez? Me and Pez are breaking the internet tonight with a podcast. Wait till you guys hear this. Oh, wow. Happy birthday, brother. Fuck, I didn't even know. Damn. Awesome. How is your life right now, Pez, in comparison to this time last year, this birthday last year? Good to have you here, unsolicited. Did he just use his oil on me? Bro. So can I use AI to make trading profits? No. Wouldn't be able to tell you. I suppressed every year before this one. W. Well, the awakening begins from this one on. All right, so gold's about to close here, first 30, edging that top level there, which is interesting. Edging that top level. NQ did its thing, so yeah, I don't know what's up with NQ. I could see it's fucking dropping again, to be honest. Well, I've seen this exact formation. When did I see this exact formation? Maybe it was on gold. Let's have a look. No, I don't know. How come you mark that out as gold zone? Just break above all-time highs. You get a candle closure above there. Probability after a retest of continuation is pretty high, I think. It's my birthday year. What's my... Oh, I was going to say, look, meditation said something normal, and then at the end he spat some Jesus bars. W. He's committed. I actually like that. I like the commitment. Anything, I don't care if it's cooked or not. If someone's committed, I'm in. I blew 15,000 account on gold, thinking of giving up. I mean, I was saying earlier today, very tough day. A lot of people would have got chopped up today. You know, I'd give yourself a bit of freedom mentally from today. Today has been very tough if you're a gold trader. But use it as a lesson. There's been no real clear opportunity, but there's been a lot of opportunities to get sucked into bullshit. Give up, dude. All right, it looks like we're getting a 30 break above here. There's SMC, skewer RR compared to price action. They can all work, bro. It just depends on the trader. What does this look like on Forex? Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, come on. Don't go, bro. Don't leave. Please, please. If this can re-break its own low, I'm going to put a buy stop back up here. It wouldn't be the worst idea to take a buy here if it does break its high. I don't know if I'm that interested though. It's risky. It's definitely on the riskier side. That's the only issue. My finger's on the trigger, to be honest. Please reject and then come back. Please reject, then come back. Please reject, then come back. Yes, good boy. Come on, come down. Come on, boy. There's the bone. The bone strat fucking doesn't want to work sometimes. Come on. Come down here. Good boy. Yeah, I'm going to put an order in here if it wants to break the high. It's a bit risky still, like very extended. Extendo. All in all, I have to watch from my phone. Alright, dub. Yeah, we'll see. It's a bit risky. Bit risque. I'll give it a 25, 24 pip stop, I guess. There's a level of risk involved. If it fails, I might give it another shot at some point. Damn, if this fails, I'm just getting brutalized on stream. So you take, yeah, take trade on multiple bangers. Come on, Gold, you can do it, bro. No, you can't do it. Maybe you actually can't do it. Maybe you actually can't do it after all. I'm one tick underneath this shit. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. I would have got sucked into this trade most days though. I'll hang out, see if I can get another setup. Did you enter? Nikki, I just let it, it created a top wick, came flip red, and then I had it at the break of its own top wick once it did that. Yeah. Stop loss placement. Oh, that's savage. It's not over. Oh, yeah. It's not over yet. Yeah, that's true. It's still not over. Yay, my computer's glitching.
Yes. It wasn't over.
It's not over.
Still isn't
It's
over.
still not over. Still not over, motherfuckers! Doubt me now! You know what I mean? I'm going to take off some sides if I get a chance to do this. Sell. I'm going to be
Order filled.
I'm going to be It's still not over. Pop, pop, pop. Yep, I'm going to be
Order filled.
Beautiful. Did my fucking funded account? Oh, come on. Please hit it at the... Please hit it. This is my personal account. Hit that bitch. Hit it. No. No. I need this fucking money, man. I fucking need this money. Please. Yes. Yes! Mom! Your son made it! Your son is a success story! L trade. W. Awesome, you guys. Dubs in the chassis. Man, some of you guys in the mentorship are on like fucking 4 for 4 today. 4 to the floor. Jesus. Daniel was reliable. Yes. I mean, it was a bit of a risky play, but it's all-time highs. I've seen this so many times where you have to be a little bit more aggressive here. Dubs. Beautiful. I'm going to put a full TP just above this high. See if we can poke a head over there. Beautiful. Daniel was reliable. Nah, I felt nothing, Pez. I didn't go too heavy or anything. I want to get one more trade here. 1 pip survival, legit. 1 pip survival rate. Daniel was reliable. Yeah, I took that on the Perso account as well. $2K? Wow. Praise for the bros. Stop loss. It got hit. Oh yeah, someone said their SL got hit. Fuck. W. Yeah, go on, gold pop. Man, gold's just been weird today. I literally shit my pants on the spot. Thank you, bro. I mean, it was a good little pop there. What is that? 23. One more? Yeah, I want to see if we can get one more. I think we might fail here and then maybe a pullback for a continuation up.
Order filled.
Good partials placement. Good placement for taking partials. Beautiful. I have a feeling we're going to fail here and maybe we can get another opportunity to buy it back up again. To be honest. Because if it was going to go, it should have gone then. From almost losing to popping champagne, yeah. Oh, let's see what NQ's doing. Did you take that just then, Mitch? Yeah, I got no read on NQ. It's a bit extendo. How many accounts you copy trading? Well, 5, 6. I'm doing 7 accounts today. Well, that trade was just 7 accounts. There's 5 top steps, 1 Bullinox, and then 1 personal. One perso. Yeah, I'm interested to see if we get another opportunity here. Took it, dub. Mitch, is that 4 for 4 today? My dude's on fucking 4 wins. No, I don't. They're all the same. So they're all with separate companies and shit. They're not over the same shits. Wow, Mitch. Dub. Do we want to sell? This I might sell. I mean, what's the point of having profits if you're not willing to give them back? Let's have a look. Yeah, I think if I get a decent amount of strength in this, I'm going to sell. 6 wins in a row. Nice. How many accounts do you have linked? Just 1 here, 5 here, and then 1 here. Yeah, this is looking nice for a sell. Yes, we sell now. That's the thing about trading. Like, what's your ability to fucking adapt to the changing conditions? Can you trade multiple? That's why like price action trading, technical analysis is like what I think is the best. We're not waiting for like a thing. We're like the ability to read the market is kind of what it is. It will up. So it will up. Yeah, I want a bit of strength in this red candle though. That's the only issue. Daniel, you are glitching? No, I don't think I am. Oh, I don't know what that is, Professor. You don't want to sell, Jack? Yeah, if I get a decent top week, I'm pretty interested. I don't know. I think I'm just... What's the 4-hour and Forex look like? I don't know. We'll see. I think I'm interested. Smaller 15 bodies, rejecting, flipping, quite strong. Yeah, I'm selling the shit out of this. I'll sell my kid. Jack's tripping? Yeah, I think Jack's tripping. Done for the day. Good stuff, man. All right, what does this look like on Forex? My only reservation, if I'd had one, is that we're selling back into this range. Oh, Glitch City. $32 pip stop. Maybe I am glitching. This is looking, something's happening weird over here. And if it doesn't want to play ball, then potential breakouts buys again. Nice, Dean. One hour still open. If this flips, it'll be quite nice. First time up. So this is the thing about a personal account. I could technically just withdraw $161 right now. You know what I mean? I could just put in a request to get that out of the bank right now. It's quite interesting. As opposed to prop accounts. Yeah, let's see if this can flip. Flippity doodah. And if not, if it holds above and closes above, maybe we could look at strapping in for buys again. I don't know. Kind of, it'd be a strong hour closure. It'd be weird on the other. It'd be weird on the 30 and not too bad on the 15. That's what you do when you're broke. I mean, there's nothing wrong with pulling some money out, bro. I think that's good. Which broker? I use Tora Markets. Tora Markets. Marketsa. Bro, I used your strategy yesterday, made 300. Very good strat. Nice, good stuff. 300 bands. Buy your girlfriend a freaking flower with it. You know, buy your girlfriend a chocolate and stuff. Yeah, man, get it out. Oh, okay, look at this. Just massively rejecting now. Just going to cancel these orders and see how this closes. I want to try and get another trade here. This could still flip down massively. But I think the probability of it poking its head up here is very high. 30 minutes, yeah, starting to look really bullish now. I mean, that's what the initial trade was kind of based on, the 30 minute. If I held that trade and then it came back and broke into this range like this, I would have been shit my pants here. Candle range theory? Yeah, not sure, bro. I don't know what the theory is. Explain the strategy. Yeah, just breakouts and, you know, bounces off certain areas that might be respected. Don't go any lower than the 15-minute time frame. Use higher time frame as confluence to kind of build a bias of direction. Wow, look at this 1 hour. I mean, yeah, the 1 hour just kind of no bottom wick, barely, just see ya. So let's see how this candle closes. Still got 9 minutes on the clock. A lot can happen. You got your trade, bro? Yeah, just got a trade before. We'll get another one. You're gonna poke your little beak over here. This is gold, like peeking over the top of this level. Could you have re-entered when the 30-minute flipped? Nah, because the signs on the 15 were showing me that we rejected and closed quite strong bearish. This candle didn't even have a bottom wick. Just said see you later. Anytime I ignore the 15 and pay attention to just what the other time frames are doing, typically end up bad. Wow. Yeah, there you go. There's peeking its head over the edge. Big Daddy trades on Blue App. Praised your strat. Oh, he normally criticizes, does he? That's good. Oh, that's awesome. Big Dad. Big Dad. What do you mean, Shibby? You need to draw trend lines? Well, that person said you need to draw trend lines. His YouTube name is Tory Trades 250k drawdown. Bro, what the hell? Why are you a person and made a YouTube channel called that? Why is that a thing? You can do us dirty gold. Dirty, dirty. Even if you couldn't close partials, you shouldn't have got... Oh. Brother. You can't draw a fucking trend line when you're at all-time highs. Cup and handle. Damn, I want to try and snag another banger. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to... No, I was just saying, Danny, that it looks nice when you go, oh, look at the 30. But the fact that that 15 came down and broke back into the range, strong red, and then the next one just closed with, you know, that I can't ignore the 15, basically. Statistically, if I ever do, it ends really bad. Like, you wouldn't have never really anticipated that no bottleneck would just happen and just say, see ya. You look exactly like assistant manager I used to work with. Did you used to work with Thor? Maybe that's who you used to work with, Thor. If not. Yeah, Mitch, I'm on New York tonight. Yeah, I'll get New Yorkie. Oh, fuck. Alright, man, we've got 5 minutes for these closures. Hour 30. Whatever. Oh, Pez, I was just saying around New York time we could do it. Yeah, around New York time. Just any time around there if you're keen. Not actually at New York Open. We can do before or after. What would you rather do, Pez, before or after? One, two, 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 two. Every specimen. Yeah, let's do that then, Pezorius. Let's do that. I'll do it. I'll do everything after this. Shem, did you clean up all them? Peace out, my G. Peace out. Of course he did. Nice. W. All right, man, let's see. It will sell. Bro, I don't want to have to do my uni, but I have to procrastinate since the start of the week. You got to do it, my dude. Yes, Shem. Fuck yeah, bro. I said that to you at the start of the week. I was like, bro, 1 or 2 days, you'll be good to go. You fucking, you butte, you. W's in the chat. No, I wasn't, but I appreciate the compliment. 3 minutes. What are we going to do, chat? Are we going to hang out and look for another setup? Or are we going to just say, you know what, we got a clean play there and let's not get greedy? What up, Trades Delicious? I sound zesty every time I say it. All good. Sweet as cur. We're gonna wait. Yeah, good call, Mitch. You've been scammed. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to wait. Let's see how this candle closes. I'm going to hang out for a little bit more. See how how the next one starts to develop. If I can see some potential in the next one, I'll, realistically, honestly, if I'm being honest, the only potential I see is if it comes down and then, looks something like this. Kind of trying to makes a bit of a bottom wick here, like taps into this range, fails, pushes back up, and close back up above this range. I can look to buy back up. Or it could just keep pushing here. So, it's gold. Gold will just keep pushing if it wants. That's right, G8. Bounce off that 1 minute FEG, bro. Bouncing on these nuts. Trades. Meow.
Had to come get some stationery.
So you can see what time frame on the chart on the screen. Any discount your mentorship? No, it doesn't work like that. All right, here we go. Here's this closure. No top wick, massive rejection. 50% chance that it could have been. If it closes with no top wick, there's a 50% chance that it's reject. Wow, big candle. What up, Dillbag? We were waiting for this moment all stream, Ahmed. Yeah, I'll let this candle, I want to see what this happens in the first 5 minutes of this candle, and if nothing happens, then I just call it here. Got a nice little dub there, and it's all good. PDH needed to be a retest. What the fuck's a PDH? Oh, any prediction for NFP? Fuck, wow. Thanks for bringing that to my attention. We got NFP on Friday, you guys. Who's locking in for NFP casino stream? Who's locking in for casino stream? Have your glasses, have your sunnies ready. Because this Friday is NFP and we get loosey-goosey for NFP. Casino. Oh, previous day high. 100%. Welcome to the casino, my friends. My oh, fuck. October 3rd. Non-farm. Oh, wait. Yep. Friday, my dudes. Full port NFP, yes sir. You are too handsome and you married, question mark. Do you have brothers, question mark. Answer as we wait, question mark. No, I'm not any of those things. Yeah, I'm not married. And I'm ugly. She'll never like me. Alright, this is cooked. I'll have one more sticky beak at NQ. All good. Got a little buy there. Can't complain. I don't know if I'm interested in NQ, to be honest. And yeah, appreciate you guys jumping on. Good little buy at the break of the highs here. Got like 20 pips or something, and that's good to go. So I'll be back in the mentorship for the New York stream. And if any of you guys are interested in learning from me directly, go to danielholmestrades.com and you can apply here for one-on-one mentorship. But I appreciate you guys showing up. I'll catch up with you on stream tomorrow. Have a good day.